Hello friends, let's start with business and financial market update. The total cryptocurrency market capitalization exceed $1 trillion for the first time since November, according to data from CoinGecko. Despite the 15.5% year-to-date gain, the level is 50% below the $1.88 trillion crypto market cap seen before the Terra Luna collapse in May 2022. The price of world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, crossed $20,000 mark for the first time in over 2 months. The biggest price rise in the Bitcoin prices was up to 7.5% to $21,299. Before this most recent breakout, the price of Bitcoin has been trapped in a small range between $16,000 and $17,000 for the weeks. Moving on, HDFC Bank saw its consolidated net profit rise by 19.9% year-on-year to 12,698 crore rupees in quarter ended December 31, 2022. Standalone net profit stood at 12,259 crore rupees, increasing by 18.5% over the same period in 2021. The bank reported a net interest income of 22,987.8 crore rupees for this quarter, up by 24.6% from 18,443 crore. Moving on, Dynasty Acquisition on Friday divested a 2.14% stake in the non-banking financial company NBFC, that is Shriram Finance, for 1,040 crore rupees through open market transactions. Dynasty's shareholding in the company reduced to 2.49% from a 4.63% stake. The buyer includes FID Funds Mauritius, Societe Generale, BNP Paribas Arbitrage and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, among others, PTI reported. Moving on, DMart operator revenue, Supermarts reported a 6.6% rise in consolidated post-tax profit of 590 crore rupees for the quarter ended December 2022, as against 553 crore rupees a year back. Total revenue for the quarter grew by 25.5% to 11,569 crore rupees from 9,218 crore rupees in the same period in 2021. Earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, that is EBITDA, stood at 965 crore rupees. Moving on, Made in India TV shipments grew by 33% to over 5 million units in the July to September 2022 quarter as against previous quarter, market research firm Counterpoint Research said. The TV shipments were led by Dexon, followed by Radiant. True Wireless Stereo's TWS segment led the electronic variables category with almost 34% of its shipment being manufactured in India. Moving on, gold prices rose on Saturday by 220 rupees with 10 grams of the yellow metal trading at 56,290 rupees. Silver prices also rose by 100 rupees per kilogram from yesterday's close. The precious metal was selling at 72,000 per kg. The price of 22 karat gold rose from rupees 2,200 from yesterday's close to 51,600 rupees according to Good Returns website. In Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad, 10 gram of 24 karat and 22 karat gold is selling at rupees 51,600 and 56,290 rupees respectively. In Delhi, 10 grams of 24 karat and 22 karat gold is trading at 56,440 rupees and 51,750 rupees respectively. Moving on, India's import of Russian crude oil topped 10 lakh barrels per day for the first time ever in December, data from Vortexo showed. Russia remained India's top oil supplier for the third month in a row as it supplied 11.9 lakh barrels per day last month. Russia makes up to 25% of all oil imported by India as per data. On the market capitalization of 7 of the top 10 valued firms rose by 1.07 lakh crore in the last week, with TCS, which announced its Q3 results on Monday, being the top gainer. While TCS rallied over 59,000 crore rupees, Infosys market cap rose by nearly 23,000 crore rupees. Firms that saw a fall in their market value include Reliance Industries and SBI. Moving on, India's largest winemaker Sula Vineyards clocked the highest ever quarterly sales in the third quarter of fiscal year 2022-23 at 210.2 crore rupees. The sales of its own brands jumped to 187.2 crore rupees in the quarter, up 13% against 165.7 crore rupees from the year-ago period. The company posted a 13% year-on-year growth in wine tourism revenues at 23 crore rupees. Moving on, foreign investors offload around 15,000 crore rupees worth of Indian equities in the first 2 weeks of January amid risks of COVID in some parts of the world and recession worries in the US. FPIs have been adopting a cautious stance towards Indian equity markets for the past few weeks. Going forward, FPIs flows are expected to remain volatile even as inflation continued its downward trajectory both globally and domestically, Shrikant Chauhan, head of equity research, Kotak Securities Limited said. According to the data, with the depositories, FPIs have made a net withdrawal of Rs 15,068 crore rupees from the Indian equity market during January 2 to 13. Only 2 of the 10 trading days in January to date saw net purchases. This came following a net inflow of Rs 11,119 crore rupees in December and 36,239 crore rupees in November. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.